ayun guys. So, before kami totally na magpaalam sa inyo, before we formally sign off as 12 Aquinas family, we just like to grab the opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for bringing us the opportunity na makilala kayo, makasalamuha kayo, to cry with you, to laugh with you, to be part of every single thing na nangyari sa loob ng family natin. I'll be honest with you, right now, as I gave the last card, I'm feeling sort of separation anxiety right now. But you know what? With everything that transpired, Ma'am and I would agree, you were the best thing that happened to us. Maraming salamat, Aquinas family, for giving us the opportunity to have you guys, have yourselves the most memorable send-off, the most memorable farewell that we can give sa inyo as you leave high school.
Hi, Aquinas! Hi, and I will see you pretty soon again. So like what Teacher Carla said, thank you for the good times, the bad times. Actually, wala namang bad times, diba, Sir Carlo?
yes, ma'am, I agree.
Wala namang bad times. Marami lang kulit times, okay? So we hope and we wish you all the best. This has been a roller coaster year for all of us. And I know that in our hearts, you will always be there. You will always be part, and we will always be part of your Aquinas family.
Yay!
And we will see you soon, and we hope for the best for all of you. Love you!
Aquinas family, mahal na mahal namin kayo. Tandaan niyo yan. And we'll see you down the road. We'll see you down the road, everyone. Kita tayo somewhere else. And like I always told, Ma'am Diana, I told, bukas ang Jasams para sa inyo. The door of Jasams is always open to welcome you again. Whenever you want to meet, if you want to tell stories, we're here for you. Okay? Congratulations! And thank you so much. Aquinas family, here for you. Okay?